Stop everything before you make another trade. What if I told you that there's a strategy out there that could win all your losses back in one single trade? So without further ado, let's get straight to it. Hey traders, I hope you're all going extremely well. My name's David and welcome back to my channel where I go through profitable trading strategies. Today we're going to be looking into the wonderful world of Martingale and how it can improve or destroy our trading strategies. I'm going to go very quickly through the theory behind Martingale and how it works, and how it can turn your trading strategy into a gold mine. If that sounds something interesting to you, why not subscribe to the channel? I do videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. And while you're down there, if you don't mind giving the video a good old like if you're enjoying the content, it really helps to grow the community. We're growing by an amazing 5,000 new subscribers every single day, which is absolutely mind-blowing. So come and be part of the David Tech community. Right, Martingale. Whether you like it or absolutely hate it, it certainly is an intriguing concept coming from the world of gambling. Originating from 18th century France, the Martingale strategy is an extremely simple concept, which is based on every losing trade you double up the equity you put in. Meaning when you actually win, you recover all of your previous losses and come away with a little bit of extra cash in your pocket. So in other words, in trading, this kind of strategy can be applied very, very simply by doubling your equity on every loss. For example, if you have $1,000 and you put 10% of your portfolio in of $100, for when you start losing trades or hitting a losing streak, when you hit a loss, you take the $100 loss on the chin and you get back to trading with a $200 lot size. If you lose again, you then double it to 400 and so on and so on. The problem with this kind of strategy is you do need an unlimited bankroll as trades start going against you and you end up in a losing streak. But the big problem behind this is you do actually need a humongous or even an unlimited payroll to be able to cover the Martingale strategy. If the trades start going against you and you start with $100, you can end up at a whacking $51,200 within 10 losses, which can be extremely painful and nobody really wants to go through that. So I'm going to go through a couple of charts. I'm going to show you what Martingale looks like on the charts and how it can be absolutely fantastic. How we could potentially use it on a very, very small account on a degen strategy. Obviously, guys, I'm not in the slightest a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. It's just a bit of fun and looking into the theory behind Martingale. Okay, so I'm going to go over the charts. We're going to have a look at a couple of strategies that were sent to me by my community, and I'll show you the difference with Martingale and without Martingale, so you can make your own decisions on whether it would be something that's potentially good for you or not. Right, okay, let's get over to the screen. Don't forget, guys, I'm giving away 1 million bonk to random comments below this video. Comment what your favorite indicator is and I will try and backtest it, and I will be giving away 1 million bonk on every single video this month and probably next month as well, so get commenting away. Right, let's get over to the computer and have a look at the Martingale strategies. Right, here I am on TradingView. On the chart I have one of my favorite trading strategies, the McGinley trend follow. This was sent to us by one of our members called Bavo from our group. He's an absolutely brilliant guy and has been a long time member with us, so thank you very much, Bavo, for this submission. Okay, so this trading strategy has a 52% win rate and has had 7 max wins in a row and 6 max losses in a row. As you can see by this table, every month looks absolutely incredible. It looks amazing as a trading strategy. Why I brought this one up, it was because of this backtesting results. And if I didn't say, guys, it's on BTC USDT on the 45-minute time frame. So here is the backtesting results. It looks absolutely incredible as a trading strategy. The equity curve is going straight up there. Obviously, there's some big dips, but that was what I was talking about earlier. But the actual strategy looks absolutely amazing. We have a 207% net profit, 518 closed trades, and a 52% win rate. Our max drawdown is 27%, and this is where it gave me food for thought for the idea of our strategy today. So I'm going to go back over to the David Tech website. We're going to add Martingale to a couple of strategies to see whether it actually works, and I'd like to show you how it goes absolutely in the other direction and how it can absolutely destroy an account and a decent trading strategy. Guys, before I go any further, I'd love to give a big old shout out to CoinW, who have sponsored this video. If you're looking for a no KYC crypto trading platform, CoinW may be the one for you. They currently have a massive 1 million prize pool up for grabs, and if you deposit USDT or crypto onto their exchange using my link below, you can claim up to 30,500 USDT in cash bonuses. Thanks to CoinW for sponsoring our video. Right, here we are on the trading journal of David Tech, where you can see all of the transparent settings and also connect them to bots from the elite backtesters of our group. This is all settings sent by my group, which is absolutely amazing. You can copy them using TradingView, or you can use our bot system to copy all of the trades. The most important thing is you can see the results. So I've searched a little bit to find some strategies that have a high-ish win rate, over 50%, to actually give them a chance. First one's going to be the Precision Trend Mastery. It's on BTC on the 1 hour time frame. If I go down here, you can see the equity curve looks absolutely amazing. Now I've copied this over to TradingView, as you can see just here. Each month looks pretty good, and the profit looks absolutely amazing. We have more than 1,000% profit and a 63% win rate. If I put up the settings up here, you can see that inside of my boilerplate we have an option for adding the Martingale. If I add it, you can see that it has flattened out that equity curve and made it look even better than it was. It was already great, but now looks absolutely amazing. We have 1,477%, so we've made about 470% extra. We have the same win rate, but our max drawdown, look at that max drawdown, ladies and gentlemen, 70%, which is absolutely horrible. The original version would have lost around 25%. Imagine having to go through 70% of a loss for an extra 400%. So that's a good example. Let's move on to this one here, which is the Trend Who. The Trend Who on a 30-minute time frame on BingX data. If I go all the way down here, as you can see, I've already added the Martingale to this one. It has made 6,373%, and we had an enormous 86% drawdown. If I remove Martingale, as you can see, it made the equity curve look absolutely amazing, but you do have to go through an 80% net drawdown, which is quite awful and very, very painful. So when you get to a 55% profit, it kind of starts to get hard to trade. This one here, we're going to be looking at the Super Cycle Surge at 30-minute by EGOT-X on the 30-minute time frame BTC USDT. As you can see, this one here looks already pretty smooth. It hasn't got a huge amount of trades. I'm just doing this for examples here today, guys. Martingale has already been added as well, and as you can see, we have 41% net profit, 61% win rate, and a 24% net drawdown. We are using leverage, so obviously that can be reduced. Let's have a look at the if we take Martingale off. As you can see, we would have made 36%, so we didn't actually make about 4 times that amount, I think it was, but we did also considerably increase the max drawdown. Next one is going to be the Stiff Zone on the 15-minute by Oleg. Thank you very much for this submission. Right, we have a 146% net profit with 25% max drawdown on 75% win rate, and that is also with Martingale activated. If I remove Martingale, we have 146% and a 25% max drawdown. And the final one I'm going to be looking at is this one here. As you can see, the equity curve looks amazing as well, but we do have an 86% max drawdown with Martingale. But on the other side, we have 6,373% net profit. So by deactivating Martingale, we only have 255% net profit. It's absolutely incredible, but you have to go through those humongous drawdowns. I just wanted to show you one last thing. The original strategy, which looks absolutely amazing over a 2-year period here. When you put it even further back to 2020 up to today, look what happens to the strategy. Unfortunately, this is the big problem of Martingale. You can end up making a lot of money from a small account using Martingale, but you can also absolutely and totally annihilate that account. I've met quite a few traders, and I've only ever met one single trader that actually uses Martingale. He has a bit of a unique strategy where he trades fixed times maybe over a week. He puts 1,000 $1,000 into an account, uses the Martingale strategy. If there's profit at the end of the week, he takes out all of that profit and leaves the $1,000 on the account. And if the account is annihilated and liquidated at the beginning of a new week, he just puts money back into that account. It's a bit of a unique way of doing things, but maybe the solution to actually trading Martingale. I personally have never ever traded Martingale strategies, but might be something that I looked into with this different way of looking at things, of taking profit out and restoring my bots. But it will be a degen account, as I do believe this is a bit of a degen strategy. You win big, but you can also lose big and lose your whole account very, very quickly. So I'd love to know what you guys think of the Martingale strategy. Leave your thoughts down in the comments below. I reply to as many people as I possibly can. And while you're down there, why not subscribe, and don't forget to like the videos for more deep dives into trading strategies and hopefully finding some really profitable ones on the way. Before I go, guys, I have one last thing to do, and that is to give away 1 million bonk coin. So let's get back over to Wednesday's video and give a random comment 1 million bonk. Right, I'm going to be giving away 1 million bonk to a random comment from this video here. There was 39 comments. Let's go. So congratulations to you. You just won 1 million bonk. Don't forget to reach out to me or Vlad via Discord, and we'll send you a short form to fill out to claim your win. Guys, I have one other thing very, very quickly to say. We have also translated David Tech into a couple of languages. You'll be able to find the Spanish channel, which we launched about a week ago, down below in the description if you prefer to listen to my wonderful voice in Spanish. Okay, guys, which is all a bit strange for me, but absolutely amazing. Thank you very much for joining me here on David Tech. Have an absolutely wonderful weekend. I look forward to seeing you on Monday. Take care, keep safe, keep coding, trade like a boss, and I'll see you on Monday. Have a great weekend. Goodbye.
Come on, David, and once again he's gone to code a new strategy. He'll be back in just 5 minutes. RSI and MACD.